Hello guys, look at my new channel. I'm AliHussain. I'm trying to make a movie of Paw Petrol. Okay, the movie starts in this. Hey, I'm the new character in the Paw Petrol. I can the leader. I can attack this fire truck. I need to go here. Okay, now this is my car. I can show a big tour. First, this is our guns. If anyone comes, we can shoot him like this. Like that. Like that, we can put a bullet and just hit them like this. Like that. And the third part, someone is in the back. We can trap him in our bunker. That is our bunker. The third is someone is going from here. We can catch him easily because we have a new security name is the graduate. Someone can fall down. And our brand new one is this one. Someone is just running around, you can just easily fall down like this. Someone's running like that. And the grab hook can easily catch. The third place. The third place is someone likes the fire here. We can shoot water from here for about like we can attack people. And the third thing is we have a car. This car name is the security car. And we have some new things to make the movie. Okay, everyone, my name is Blocking Chase. Someone comes, I can make him block for this door. Then see, like that. Okay, I can be around of the security car because some things can happen bad. Okay, you know what I do? I'm just hiding here. No time to waste. You don't can attack too, bro. Oh, I stuck. Okay, I'm not being there. Close that bunker. Okay, I can read a ladder because it's in brand new thing. Leave that open. Ugh. Okay, that was too anger. Because I can hit from long range like this. But no, we have one more gun in the back and we can hit easily. But we don't have this place. Can wake up and attack from here. Then what guy we need? Marshal. Okay. He don't have no power. I have water guns. Okay, that was cool. Okay, I'm just being there. Okay. They can be here. Yeah, that is a good place to hide. Okay. Okay. What is this? I think I can hit from here. Oh yeah, that was cool. Hey, who are you? Don't hit me. Oh, this is my new car. Okay, let's go put this bullet here. Oh my. Yeah. Hey, what you are doing here? You're trying. It's more options to do, but I do every option. Now I'm gonna make them. I don't can tell you, but I can make the movie. Okay, the movie is starting now. Okay, You can see it, and you can see my YouTube channels in YouTube Kids. What about in TikTok? Where you can see it Facebook. What about in Instagram? I think you can see it also in YouTube. So look, 3, 2, 1. Hey, I don't like this 5-degree thing. Is so disgusting. I don't like it. I'm just being hiding here for no reason. Okay, everyone, be in your place. I'm being here. Yeah, I can. Ow, that hurts. Okay, I'm being here. Yeah, I can hit from long range. The guy can come from here. That is a good place to hide. I'm being here. No, I don't like this place. I think I can be here. No, not here. In my secret room. Okay, our place is here. Just I can hide here. No, not here. Here. No one can see from here. And then my car is a secret place to hide. Hey, yo. Okay, everyone, attention, be in your places. Where? Okay. Okay, everyone, be serious. Okay, would everyone think to shut up? Shut up. I mean, guns here to squeeze water. Grabbing hooks. Be here. You be here. And the car can easily hit you from like that. Okay. Okay. Now I want to be here for the things. Okay, I need to be here. I can catch everyone from here. If someone is here, someone can hold the marshal. I can easily catch the thing from here. Can catch the thing from here, and I can place it here. Everyone, be in your destiny. I'm super flash. I can go super fast, and I need to be in my placement. I like to be here because I be every day here and jump to somewhere like there. My name is Zuma. I like water and I can run super fast. Hey yo, I'm super fast. Okay, I can be here because the wires are so dangerous. If someone can be hurt and someone can be electrocuted. My name is Kai. I like to fly, then I can be here. I'm Marshall. I'm the leader in the car, the fighter. Then I'm being here. I'm the another regular Zuma, and I can be here because I can dive underwater. Okay, I am the Lego one. Then I already be in here to jump and attack someone. I'm being here. I have so much oxygen here. Okay, now I'm Rubble. I fix things, but not today because I have a thing to have headphones. Right? No, and I like fixing that. This is the fixing place where I can get more traps. I'm a new Rubble, and I like glasses because so I can fix things. Then I need to be here to fix things. Now I need wood here and things here to be here. And I need to put one more trap here. Then I can be here in the trap place. And I'm Chase. I have a secret car no one knows. This is the pushing car. I can be here and no one knows. If someone come from here, I can easily jump from here. Then my placement is here. I'm the legger. Oh my, I fell down. Okay, no worries. I'm being here because I can come here. Like here. Just placement. I'm falling now. I'm baby rubber. I like to be here. I like to be here. Okay, my place. Oh no, I'm falling down. Okay, my placement is here because Marshall likes me because I'm the good boy. He and can smile. Okay, I fell down and bye bye. There's one more thing. Okay, now the secret guy is here to do the defense. Hiya! I got too fast. The car is leaving. Mm. Oh my. Ow! Catch him! No, I shouldn't catch him. That hurt. Attack them! Attack him! Jump! I do bad job. Squeeze in water! Squeeze in water time! Squeeze! Pew, 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 pew. Didn't work. Poker, you can do this thing. Yeah, I catch them. Catch. Ow! Jump! Ow! And straight to the bunker. And bye-bye and subscribe to AliHussain plan.